What's up, y'all? So today we doing a little makeup tutorial. So y'all see me just priming my face with some homemade rose water. You guys can click the links and find that video too. So right here, it's just my eyebrow pencil. And right here in this clip, you just see me prepping my eyes with some concealer that's actually really light. And so I do that because I'm already light skinned, but I want my color to like really pop, bitch. You feel me? So yeah, let's get cute. So now we just blending this out, bitch. We have to blend. Because quite frankly, we want our color to pop and we can't be looking busted and disgusted. So go ahead, flip it to the wrist, whatever they say. Yeah, so I done got real close to the camera, girl, because I need to see what I'm really looking like, girl. And so I'm just using some drugstore eyeshadow, and shit, it works just like everything else, so just apply it. So right here, I am just coating it with that orangey color first, just to give me a cute little base. And then I'm just gonna start the build up of the pink because I want it really bold, and I just really want it really bold. So that's just like my transition color that I decided to use. Sorry y'all, my camera said low storage, so I had to delete some stuff. But right now I'm just packing on the eyeshadow. This pigment is really pigmented. I'm talking about this pigment. This eyeshadow is really pigmented. For it to be just NYX. So yeah, girl, pack it on. And look, I ain't no makeup artist or whatever, but I think I'm kind of like really doing a damn thing right now. So I got this little NYX primer thing for my eyes. I really don't know if I was using it correctly, but yeah, it's going in between the creases of my eyes. And then I'm just gonna get a little glitter. Get a little glitter, honey. Little glitter. And then just pack it in between my eyes. I really like this look because I think it's just like really cute to me. I used to do this a few years back, but I stopped because my voice was sounding crazy right there. My bad, y'all. But yep, got a tiny brush. Just put it in there. So as y'all can see, I put my lashes on off camera because I don't know how them girls be doing it on camera. So I'm not gonna even try today. So I had just used some beauty supply eyelashes, and I believe they're wispy. Well, if I find a pack, I'll list it in the description box below. But other than that, girl, I'm looking fine already. What the hell? So I just used some Maybelline foundation. It's really not full coverage. Wow, nephew, be quiet. What the hell? Anywho, I get a little brush because I was running out, y'all. So anything just to finish the video. I just had to put some foundation on my face. And I really like Maybelline's foundation for real, because I'm the type of girl, I really don't like full coverage because I like my freckles showing through. I just really like my skin being evened out, and I think they're really good for that. So Maybelline is my primary foundation. So yeah, right now you just see me just blending it. I'm blending it. And girl, get that unibrow. Yes, sis. Do it. Yes, blend, bitch. Blend. Ugh, you turned into a fucking stallion in this video. A stallion, I say. But yes, honey. I am blending. Adding a little bit more foundation if I need to. But other than that, girl, just blend. So right here, girl, we are just I'm getting some concealer. I don't know the number of this, so I'm just gonna leave it in the description below. But again, y'all, I'm not a makeup artist, so but what I do know is that these are like your highlight areas or something like that. Like, don't quote me and don't drag me in the comments either. But I put them up under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, in between like my eyebrows and up my chin. And yeah, cause I think like that's like where like the sun hit. Girl, I don't know. It's gloomy in Detroit, so hell if I know anything. But yeah, I just blend that in because I'm trying to be a baddie, not a slacky. Sorry y'all, that was lame, but I kind of fucked with it. Hey, this I was grooving. So I had just picked up another makeup brush because I just like to go over my face like with like a few different brushes just so I know like it's being completely blended through. And as you can see, your girl is struggling. And this is an actual foundation that I'm actually trying to contour with. I don't really contour. I was just trying to contour for this video. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. I watched a video and they said like contouring up will like not make it look like you have a 5 o'clock shadow. So like that's what I was trying to do. Yeah, I don't know if it worked in this video though. Girl, are you gonna contour your forehead? Like, are you gonna blend that in? Oh no, she did it. So I know a lot of y'all probably have seen people do this, but the same pencil that I did my eyebrows with off camera, I also use as a lip liner because I feel like it stays longer than regular lip liner. And again, I got this pencil from Sephora, not Sephora, but from Ulta, and I'll link that in the bio below. But I'm also putting some Anastasia on it. I love like a real cute brown lip, for real. You can never go wrong with it, for real. And I feel like you just go with anything you do. And look at us, girlfriend. Boom, bitch, a stallion. Enjoy these selfies in this cute little clip I did. Bloop.
Well, you never tell me what you wanted. All of this on and off is just making me heartless. I've been alone in my apartment, waiting for you to call me. Yeah. Waiting to tell you it's been on my mind for some time. I've been trailing alongside you. Foolish of me to think you were mine. Oh yeah, you've been letting shit get to your head.